Hello, my name is Dave Sexton, Automation Sales Manager at IMPERX, a member of the Rockwell Automation's Technology Partner Program. Rockwell Automation and IMPERX have partnered together to deliver imaging solutions that enable our mutual customers to increase throughput, lower costs, and achieve greater efficiency. IMPERX provides ruggedized imaging solutions, such as our Ethernet IP video recorder, that complement Rockwell Automation PLCs by capturing video of events to minimize downtime. IMPERX and Rockwell Automations support a variety of industries, including food and beverage, automotive and tire, pharmaceutical, and packaged goods, with key use cases in the end-of-line automated packaging systems. For more information, please visit IMPERX on the partner locator.